When I was in the market for a new pocket flashlight, I asked myself, can a small flashlight really survive several years of everyday abuse? This little flashlight has been in my pocket for 4 years and counting. I've dropped it over 50 feet, accidentally washed it on several occasions, carried it in the rain, mud, and every day at work. And here's the crazy part, it's still going. Powerful little pocket light. I originally bought this because I needed something small, bright, and I could carry every day for use at work and at home. I was looking for something reliable and rechargeable. Working in construction, I'm on lifts a lot. And on more than one occasion, I have dropped it from 50 plus feet. From slipping out of my hands or being bumped by a coworker, watching it fall, expecting it to shatter once it hit the ground, like many of my other lights in the past. Nights working late or emergency calls, coming home and forgetting to remove it out of my pockets. It has been through many wash cycles. As I said before, working in construction, I just had no expectations this light was going to last very long. Let me tell you, this little guy has removed any doubt of purchasing it. It's just indestructible. Here I am 4 years later, and it's still working like the day I bought it. If you like reviews from someone who's actually used the gear for years, not just a few days, consider subscribing to Squatchfoot. I test tools and gear in the real world to see what holds up. And if you've owned this flashlight, let me know in the comments, how long has yours lasted? How this thing has held up? It's held up fantastic. The only thing showing wear is the finish, but honestly, it gives it more character. Getting back to the flashlight, if I lost this flashlight tomorrow, I'd be online ordering 2 the same day. I'm curious to know, what's the longest you've ever owned an EDC flashlight? Drop the brand and how many years you've had it in the comments. I want to see the brands. I would definitely recommend this flashlight if you are someone looking for a pocket-sized light that you carry every day. Know that the thing will just work. If you're someone who needs long range or a searchlight, then this isn't for you. Maybe you would want to look at something like the Streamlight MicroStream or the Wedge. Let me know if you guys would like to see a review on those.